In this short video, I will show you how to build a powerful and reliable trading strategy with the SuperTrend AI Clustering EP by Lux Algo Indicator to detect high winning trade probability setups in the market. The SuperTrend AI Indicator is a novel take on bridging the gap between the K-means clustering machine learning method and technical indicators. In this case, we apply K-means clustering to the famous SuperTrend indicator. Users can interpret the SuperTrend AI trailing stop similarly to the regular SuperTrend indicator. Using higher minimum-maximum factors will return longer-term signals. The performance metrics displayed on each signal allow for a deeper indicator interpretation. Higher values indicate a higher potential for the market to be heading toward the trend when compared to signals with lower values, such as 1 or 0 potentially indicating retracements. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword the SuperTrend AI Clustering EP by Lux Algo Indicator on the TradingView Indicator Community Scripts folder. As we can see, here is the trading indicator. Before I proceed to educate you about how this trading indicator works, I need to highlight this indicator and its purpose so you can quickly understand how it works. To do this, we need to right-click on the indicator and navigate to the Settings option. Here are the parameter settings of this indicator. Under the Input Settings section of the indicator, there is the ATR length. This is the ATR period used to calculate the supertrends. By default, it's set to 10. Factor range. This helps to determine the minimum and maximum factor values for calculating the supertrends. By default, it is set to 1 and 5. Step. This signifies the increment of the factor range. By default, it is 0.5. Performance memory. This will determine the degree to which older inputs affect the current output, with higher values returning longer-term performance measurements. By default, it is set to 10. From cluster. This determines the exact cluster used to obtain the final factor. By default, it is set to the best. The indicator also has optimization command functionality. This group of settings affects the runtime performances of the script. Maximum iteration steps. This is the maximum number of iterations that is allowed for finding centroids. Excessively low values can return a better script load time but poor clustering. Historical bars calculation. This calculates the window of the script in bars. There is the trailing stop with its color settings. The AMA color can be modified. There is a checkbox for the candle coloring and for the show signals. There is the option to check the show dashboard. There is also an option to switch the location from the top right to the bottom right and to the bottom left. The size can also be switched from tiny to small and to normal. Under the main style section, there are boxes to check or uncheck more parameter settings, such as the trailing stop AMA, bar color, labels, tables, labels on the price scale, and values in the status line. How does the SuperTrend AI Clustering Indicator function in the market? The working concept of this trading indicator is based on the trailing stop and its adaptive moving average acting as dynamic support and resistance on the price chart. Whenever the price makes a bearish or bullish pullback to test the trailing stop and the adaptive moving average, the price of the financial asset will usually find a rejection either to the upside or to the downside depending on the leading market trend. Also, liquidity level has a major role in confirming the authenticity of the trade setup, accompanied by the price action rejection candlestick pattern. How can traders use the SuperTrend AI Clustering Indicator for the continuation of a bearish market? Step 1. Watch out for a bearish trend. Step 2. Watch out for a bullish price pullback to the red trailing stop of the SuperTrend AI Clustering Indicator. Step 3. Watch out for a bearish rejection of the price from the red trailing stop. Step 4. Execute a sell position. Place your stop loss above the red trailing stop that rejected the price in a bearish setup for the sell entry. Traders should exit the sell position whenever the price closes above the red trailing stop in the downtrend. How can traders use the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator for the reversal of a bearish market to an uptrend? Step 1. Watch out to see a bullish price wave close above the red trailing stop at a powerful support level in the downtrend. Step 2. Price needs to make a bearish retest of the newly formed green trailing stop of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator in the downtrend. Step 3. Watch out for a strong bullish rejection of the price from the green trailing stop as a potential new support for the price. Step 4. Execute a buy position at the close of the strong bullish rejection candlestick. Place stop loss below the green trailing stop. Traders should exit the buy position whenever the price closes below the green trailing stop in the newly formed uptrend. How can traders use the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator for the continuation of a bullish market? Step 1. Watch out for a bullish trend. Step 2. Watch out for a bearish price pullback to the green trailing stop of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator. Step 3. Watch out for a bullish rejection of the price from the green trailing stop. Step 4. Execute a buy position. Place your stop loss below the green trailing stop that rejected the price in a bullish setup for the buy entry. Traders should exit the buy position whenever the price closes below the green trailing stop in the uptrend. How can traders use the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator for the reversal of a bullish market to a downtrend? Step 1. Watch out to see a bearish price wave close below the green trailing stop at a powerful resistance level in the uptrend. Step 2. Price needs to make a bullish retest of the newly formed red trailing stop of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator in the uptrend. Step 3. Watch out for a strong bearish rejection of the price from the red trailing stop as a potential new resistance for the price. Step 4. Execute a sell position at the close of the strong bearish rejection candlestick. Place stop loss above the red trailing stop. Traders should exit the sell position whenever the price closes above the red trailing stop in the newly formed downtrend.